Welcome to my channel, The Smart Money. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money online by simply reading news. So all you need to do is read news and earn money every day. And if you can leverage this opportunity, you can earn up to, let's say, 5,000, depending on the effort you put on it daily. You can earn up to 5,000 to close to 10,000 naira daily. But if you are to earn 10,000 to 5,000 naira, that means you need to refer a friend, which I believe you will be more than happy to do that, because the platform is really paying, and the platform has been in existence for the past 2 years. That was since 20 I think 2019. So the platform has been in existence since 2019, and it's still paying till now. And I'm a Nigerian, so I'm recording this video from Nigeria. So you can, if you're in Nigeria, you can easily take this opportunity and start making money online by just simply reading news every day, and you'll be making passive income. And also, if you're a salary earner, it doesn't mean you can be doing this within 5 to 15 minutes a day, then you make your money. So let's go to the platform and let me show you everything you need to know and take note of. So this is the UI of the platform. So this is the user interface of the platform. You can see it is called the Chat Mogul, where you chat to earn and you read news to earn on the platform. So let me take you to my dashboard and show you my earnings for this month so far. So let me come to the dashboard. Once I click on dashboard, so it will show my earnings for this month. So as you can see, I've been able to earn 17,050 naira. 17,050 naira, and I referred one person and I was able to get 1,300 for my referral. So, and the website is paying massively. It's really paying massively. So if you want to take an action on it now, you can take it right now. So I'll walk you through how you can create an account and also complete your task and start earning money. So first, let me walk you through how to create an account. Let me log out my account first. I'll log out. So there are a lot of stuff you can do on it. Let me log out first. So I'm logging out. The network is somewhat slow, please. So yeah, I'm currently logged out now. So if you want to create a new account, you can easily come here where it says sign up. Like, where is it? Let me scroll. So this part that says sign up, you can easily click on this part that says sign up. You can click on it, or if you can't do that, you can also come here. You can come to this part, this place. You click on it. So let me do that now. You click on it. So once you click on it, so it takes to this place. Then you come to this part that says register. This part that says register or buy coupon. But I recommend you to choose this part that says register, because if you choose this buy coupon, you'll be buying coupon from vendor, in which it can delay you. It can delay in your registration, and secondly, you might get scammed. So I will recommend you go through registering yourself. So come to this part that says register. So let's come to the part that says register. Click on the register. So once you click on it, take you to a registration form where you fill to register. You can see this is your registration form. So you fill in all these details. So you enter your country. I'm in Nigeria, so Nigeria. I'll put in my country. Sorry, Nigeria. NIG. Nigeria. So you enter your email. Let me do that now. Let me just enter a random name. Sorry, random name, first name. Let me just enter a random name, first name, last name, random number, country, Nigeria again, and so I will enter Nigeria, NIG. So this is Nigeria. My email address. So you enter your own email address. I just put in a random email address, just a random email address at gmail.com. gmail.com. So gender, Gender, I put in male. Username, I can just put in a random username. Password, then you put in your own password. You put in your password. So this part that is here, this part shows referral ID number. So you need to enter this name, this ADE K Adekunle 244. So if it shows it in your own, so once you enter this, you'll be getting a 1,500 naira fake one. I'm understood. So that'll be like what are you calling it? Free credit. Yeah, I can't amount that too. So you proceed with your registration. So this is 3,000 naira for the registration fee. This one is showing 3,000 naira. So you scroll down to this side that says I have read and agreed to the website stuff, blah blah blah. Then place order. Place order. So that's it. Oh, phone number. I've not put in my phone number. Let me just put in a random phone number. A random phone number. Then press place order. Let it load up. It's loading. So yeah, to take me to a pay stack where I'll make a payment. So you enter your card details to make a payment, to make a purchase. So in this part, you have to choose the kind of payment method you'll be using, but I highly recommend you choose this first one. Choose this first one that says pay with card. This first one that says pay with card, although you can use the rest, but I highly recommend you choose this first one because it processes your payments very fast and it is very reliable, because the rest can't go into a spam payment, but best is pay with card. So once you press this one, pay with card, to take you to the pay stack interface. So all you have to do is fill in your card number, the front number, your card expiring date, and your CVV. That is the three numbers at the back of your card. Then you press pay. Then you are good to go with the payment. So I think we are done on that. So let's go back. But if you're enjoying this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and put on notification bell for a new video. So once I finish releasing a new video, it will be notified that Smart Money has released a new video. So without further ado, let's go. So let me go back to the main page. So let me log into my own account and show you how to earn on the platform. So I'll need to log in. I need to log into the platform. So I need to log in. So log in. Let me log into the platform. Let me log in. So I think the network is somewhat slow. So I'm trying to log in. So yeah, I'm logged in now. So let me go to my dashboard again to show you my earnings before we start any task. So you can see here that you are seeing 17,050 marks. So I'll complete the task now. You see that the money will start accumulating when I start reading some news, and not even reading news in a deep way, but just scrolling through the news. So this 17,050 naira marks. So let me come here. Let's come to general. This part that says general, click on it. Then you scroll down. I already read all these ones, so I go to the next page. So right now I'm in page 24. So I'm in page 24 now. So let me go to page 24. Let me edit this URL. So I click on the URL, click on this pencil that shows in the right corner. So 24. I'll put in 24 in it. So go. So it take me to page 24 directly without having to press next. So I'm page 24 here. So what I do most is, if you're using a Chrome, you can press this really press it down. So once you press it down, it tell you open a new tab in group. So you can see it opens here. Go to another one, open a new tab. So I'll click like 3 of it. I'll open it in a new tab. So, and our earnings there was, I think, 17,050 naira. So let's try this and see what will happen to the money in it. So you see it increase. So let this one load up. So once it loads up, let it load up, everything loads up very well. So then you scroll, just scroll through it, and then close it back. Yeah, close it. So go to the other second one, let it load, just leave it and let it load very well. So once it load, I just scroll up and scroll down, and then go back to it again, close it. So let this one also load up. So once it's finished loading up, so let's go back to our earnings and see what we've made now. You see the money will increase. So dashboard, let's see our earnings. So yeah, boom, you can see this is 17,080 marks. So as you continue reading, and the reading is unlimited, as you continue reading, your money start accumulating. So I think you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoy it, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos again, and if you want to register, follow the link in the description below to register. So with that, see you in the next video. So follow the link to register on this channel. Thanks.